Maybe I'll get a protector anyway.
Hey, Twist.
Don't film me.
Oh.
This is very firm. Have less firm.
Oh, oh.
Have slow spring mattress.
This is firmer, isn't it?
That is less firm.
Oh, maybe it was $1.19. Why can't I remember the price?
How weird is that?
He's so squishy. I like him. Half slow. Oh.
Oh, try this one. Try that
So
one.
what's happening here is we're trying to find the same mattress that the
Still
same mattress that I have for Twist. It's been an ordeal.
It's 150.
And
then we'll come back and get you
Ikea and their down lights.
Sorry?
Ikea and their down lights.
Good? Yay, nay?
Nay. Oh, this is good. Alright. Off we go.
Oh, wait.
He needs to take a picture. Dun, 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 dun. IKEA adventure. IKEA adventure. Walking around in IKEA.
I'll get.
What's happening? This? Oh, bloody hell.
That's it, right? Is this it?
Yeah, that's it. Doodle.
Was it called a tube?
I don't know, I didn't check. But that's great if it is.
Towel sheet. Single.
Doodle.
Mattress pad. It was a mattress pad, right?
Yeah.
It was 89.
89?
Yeah, it was 89.
That's the one. He's going in.
Doodle.
Goods acquired.
Get out of IKEA. Can you take Toodle?
And we're off. Goodbye, IKEA. We love you. We need you. We miss you already. So long.
Farewell.
Bye. There it is.
See you soon.
Aww. How happy with your purchases? V happy. 10 out of 10 happy. Everyone loves a good IKEA trip.
Sorry, I'm concentrating on driving. You know, my geographical knowledge relies on 100% brain capacity.
That's
So-
okay. I will entertain the people myself.
Can you just let it know that
Twist loves you. You 5 wonderful viewers. We live. Look at that nog. Hey. Look at your little monkey swirl. We're off. Whoa! Love you.
You're not going to put that in the video, are you?
I am gonna put it in. You know nothing about me.
This is the M7.
So where are we going? This guy.
Geographical sense at 100% capacity, okay, guys? Our binge show, which isn't really binging because we watch it once
Let me
per
put the
dinner
window
time,
up.
is The Good Place.
The Good Place,
Which is
guys.
a much louder comedy.
Watch The Good Place. It's on Netflix.
Did that beep? Did you hear that?
No, I didn't.
Me either.
It's really dark. Ooh, it's light. The Good Place is a wonderful show. Thank you, Annie and Ton. And also then April. It's so dark. Why does my phone not have a light when I'm facing? Beautiful. The Good Place is a great show. If you're not watching it, you should watch it. It's like one of those shows that you put on and it's really just relaxing. How did we explain it the other day? It's like
going to the good place during dinner.
it kind of reminds me of The Sims. I know that's
it's like
weird.
Yeah, because it's perfection.
It's just like really peaceful and it's really funny, like proper funny, like that really subtle, smart humor.
Hey, my
That's
three favorite
like
yogurts.
the best humor. You should watch it if you're not watching it. We're going home now. It's ready.
This thing is scary.
It's making such creepy sounds. It's like it's alive.
It's alive!
Come on.
Oh.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh!
No.
It has thwarted my blade.
Thwarted you.
This blade was
It's
thwarted.
still moving. It's very heavy. Oh. Toys.
Oh no!
Toys. Oh my goodness. And you got me the little fuzz. Aww. Aww.
Merry 3 year.
Put it there for now. I'm sure I will sort something else out. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Thank you. It's a mystery!
Who knows who he is?
Look, it's a mystery Harry Potter pop vinyl. We were looking at them yesterday. Could be any of these. Should I open it now?
It's up to you. If you want.
Yeah, open it now.
I'm gonna predict. I'm gonna predict it's Snape.
What? What did you say?
The phone knows.
It's Snape! Did you think it was Snape? How did you guess it was Snape?
Now,
Yeah.
feel free to return any of these ones if you don't need them or want them.
Try will need a stapler. It will look so beautiful. This one's heavy. Bloody hell, what's this?
Please. Yeah.
Yeah, a bunch.
The whole set.
Thanks, Toys.
It's fake.
Yeah, let me tell them. This is if you go into Habitania, they have these, they're fake flowers, but they look real.
And feel real.
And feel real. And they're so cool, but they're really expensive because they're made out of silk. Silk.
Dunno.
I love presents.
Alright, that's enough of you.
Hey guys! Today, Twist and I are 3! Yay! It's our 3rd anniversary! It's so exciting!
Yeah, ooh,
We're 3! Oh. We're 3! We made it successfully and with very little damage. It's the 14th of January, month before V-Day, so we got 2 celebrations in 2 months.
Sorry.
2 loves us.
Guineas birthday. I'm annihilating this at 7-2.
Let's not mention that I'm on 5 Renos and
6
you're
now.
on 0.
6 Renos.
I'm on 6 Renos. We play the Reno game because Renos are very rare.
Around these parts.
We've been playing it for about a week, and I only have 6. Tristan only has 0.
Only has 0.
So we're off today to Lura because we love going to Lura because what's at Lura?
Ruby fruit.
Ruby fruit, ruby fruit,
That's a red one.
which is the greatest vegan restaurant in the world. They do the greatest southern fried chicken burger in the world. It's flippin' delicious. And they do cakes and brownies and milkshakes and lots of other goodness. And we love to go there and eat all of the foods. So
I usually get 2 burgers.
Tristan normally gets 2 burgers because that's how good they are. So we're going up there to eat foods, and then we don't know. We haven't really decided what else we're going to do yet because we're bad at stuff. There was lots of stuff we could have done like in the city, but it's supposed to rain today, so fat chance.
Slim chance.
Fat chance.
Slim chance.
So that's what we're doing. Off on an adventure, a love adventure, but also a food adventure, which some would say is a love adventure. We're so grown up now. 3 years.
Are we? Oh,
3
right,
years of
as in
special
a
love.
relationship.
Special love. Go team. Our food. We have our food, guys. We brought it to Wentworth Falls Lake because it's fun and it's pretty, but it's too cold outside. It's like 18 today up here.
Which might not sound cold to many people.
But actually it's cold. Because I don't have any greens on my burgers because I'm the worst vegan in the world. Oh no. So happy. And we got milkshakes. Just got a lime milkshake. And I got a caramel milkshake, which is like, whoa. Love you.
Love you too. Oh, hello.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey Jay, how you doing?
Ready.
So close. Well done. Oh!
Oh,
Well done.
well done.
Thank you.
How proud?
As proud as I am of you.
Do you have anything to say?
I'd like to thank my gorgeous girlfriend and my Jenny. Cheeky four, was that?
Yes. It was a cheeky 4. Disaster has struck the Rivera camp.
The Rivera camp says no. So that was a 6 for me, wasn't it?
Yep. Don't mean to alarm and excite you all. But the doctor's here at Putt Putt. The doctor is at Putt Putt in Penrith. What could be going wrong? It would mean the doctor is here. I feel like I'm in the show. Doctor. It's time for the final scores. Twist.
We have Twist on 47,
Solid.
Jay 44. Don't touch me. No.
Yes.
Share.
Oh, I'm
Fan
sorry.
band. Oh no, you have to share it on Facebook, obviously.
I'm sorry that happened to you. Are you okay?
Fine.
Feeling alright?
Hey Jens, what are we watching?
What if we are here?
Why?
Jumanji.
Why are we watching it?
What if we are part of something?
I don't know.
Is it because we
Truly
love
divine.
each other? And we've been together for 3 years now?
Imagine 91 billion light years traveled.
So we're just playing Golf It on Twist's computer because he lost mini golf. So now he wants to win some kind of golf. So we're playing Golf It. We also play Golf It all the time, but there's extra pressure for Twist.